Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you the PS5 Dust cover that I am using. My PS5 is a second batch PS5, so it's last year December to be exact. I will check out if this dust cover really protected my PS5 from dirt and dust because it's been a year now, so I'm really curious. This dust cover is 15 Singapore dollars last year when I bought it, or it's 11 US dollar in Aliexpress. But for some reason, I cannot find the link anymore. Maybe they removed it. So I have here in Amazon, if you want to check it out. It actually is the same, but there is no brand. It's a generic brand when I got it from Aliexpress. So anyway guys, before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I am targeting for 200 subscribers. Yeah, it's just a small amount, but it is really a start. So this is the first time I am checking my PS5 inside this faceplate or this side panels. After opening the side panels, I will make sure that it's clean as well. Just an additional information. So my room is always, the window is always open in my room. Maybe half of the day it's open. I am expecting like there's like dust or something I can find inside my PS5s. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the side panels. And this is what's inside. This is my console without the side panels. The fan looks clean, so I'm not gonna clean it, and I also don't know how to clean it. You can see from this grills here, there are dust inside. I think this is common when you play your PS5. You don't actually put your dust cover, so this is maybe the dirt that it collected when I'm using it. For me, it looks clean. There's not much dust in it. So I got this small vacuum cleaner. It's a USB powered vacuum. I use this on my other gadgets like my keyboard and some stuff that I have. I think this will work. This is my preference, so you can follow other methods. There are other cleaning tools that are available like air compressor, but this is what is available now, so this is what I am using. So I am using a microfiber to wipe it after removing the dust. So to maintain the cleanliness of your PS5, I recommend cleaning also the area where your console is. Like right now, I'm showing you, this is where my PS5 is. So let's wipe this table and also my cable guy Batman. Well, I highly recommend it for you guys. You can get one to save you from the trouble of heavy cleaning. I've seen other PS5 that are very dusty inside. I'm not sure if they're using a dust cover, but this one is really helpful. It has a good quality of material. It's waterproof as well. For me, I don't need to wash it. So just shake off the dust from it and then you're good to go. There's an opening behind, so you don't need to remove your cables. It's just there when your dust cover is in your PS5. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you find this video useful or helpful. And also again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you around again next time. Alright, thank you guys.